Okay guys, so in conclusion, because it's the best I can do with this. Let's see, is there a gimbal system here that will allow me to go up and down? Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Anyway, now that I've tested out all of these things for you guys, I've tested out the DJI Avatar Screech. It's not as screechy. Maybe they've made some modifications, at least not in assisted mode. It's not that screechy compared to even the DJI FPV potato jet, which is what I am currently filming on right now. It's got a fantastic camera, as you can see. The only thing that I'm going to tell you guys is if you do decide to buy both of these things, you probably want to have goggles and remote for each one, because of pairing them. Say I'm paired to this one and I want to use the potato jet and then go back and forth. It takes about 15 minutes to get these things up and running, and it is a complete mess. So it's not something that I would want to do on a regular basis.
Likey.